Airport lounges aren't just for first-class travelers. You can enjoy free food, comfortable seating, and a quiet space away from crowded terminals, all without spending a fortune. Here's how you can get airport lounge access, no matter your budget or travel style. The easiest way to access lounges is through a premium credit card. Cards like the American Express Platinum, Chase Sapphire Reserve, and Capital One Venture X offer free Priority Pass membership, giving you access to over 1,000 lounges worldwide. Some cards also provide access to exclusive lounges like Centurion Lounges or Capital One Lounges. If you don't have a premium card, airline loyalty programs are another option. Frequent flyers with elite status often receive complimentary lounge access when flying with their preferred airline or alliance, such as SkyTeam, Star Alliance, or oneworld. Day passes are available for occasional travelers. Many major airlines like Delta, United, and American offer single-visit passes for around $50 per person. Some independent lounges, like Plaza Premium or The Club, also sell passes through LoungeBuddy or the Priority Pass app. A growing alternative is lounge memberships. Programs like Priority Pass, Dragon Pass, and Airline Club memberships allow unlimited access for an annual fee, making them ideal for frequent travelers. Another option is flying in premium cabins. Business and first-class tickets typically include lounge access, even on international flights. Some airports even have pay-per-use lounges, allowing entry for a flat fee without any membership or status. Apps like LoungeBuddy can help locate available options. Getting into airport lounges doesn't require flying first class or spending thousands of dollars. Whether it's through a credit card, loyalty program, day pass, or membership, there's an option for every traveler. Next time you fly, skip the crowded gate area and enjoy the comfort of a lounge instead.